Greetings, dear listeners. My name is Serikbayev Syrym, and today our broadcast is dedicated to Baroque music. Baroque music refers to the period of dominant style of Western classical music composed from about 16,000s to 1750s. The Baroque style followed the Renaissance period and was followed in turn by the Classical period. After a short transition, the Galant style. The Baroque period is divided into three major phases: early, middle, and late. Overlapping in time, they are conventionally dated from 1580 to 1650, from 6030 to 17,000, and from 6080 to 7050. Baroque music forms a major portion of the classical music canon, and it is now widely studied, performed, and listened to. The term Baroque comes from the Portuguese word barroco, meaning misshapen peril. The works of George Friedrich Handel and Johann Sebastian Bach are considered the pinnacle of the Baroque period. Other key composers of the Baroque era include Claudio Monteverdi, Domenico Scarlatti, Alessandro Scarlatti, Antonio Vivaldi, Johann Pachelbel, and others. The Baroque saw the creation of common practice tonality, an approach to writing music in which a song or piece is written in a particular key. This type of harmony has continued to be used extensively in Western classical and popular music. During the Baroque era, professional musicians were expected to be accomplished improvisers of both solo melodic lines and accompaniment parts. Baroque concerts were typically accompanied by a basso continuo group comprising horn-playing instrumentals such as harpsichords and lute players improvising horns from a figured bass part. While a group of bass instruments, viol, cello, double bass played the bass line, a characteristic Baroque form was the dance suite. While the pieces in a dance suite were inspired by actual dance music, dance suites were designed purely for listening, not for accompanying dancers. During the period, composers experimented with finding a fuller sound for each instrumental part. Thus, the creating orchestra made changes in musical notion, the development of figured bass as a quick way to notate the chord progression of a song or piece, and development new instrumental playing techniques. Baroque music expanded the size, range, and complexity of instrumental performance and also establishment the mixed vocal instrumental forms of opera, cantata, and oratorio, and the instrumental forms of the solo, concerto, and sonata as musical genres. Dance, complex polyphonic music in which multiple independent melody lines were performed simultaneously. A popular example of this is fugue, was an important part of many Baroque choral and instrumental works. Overall, Baroque music was a tool for expression and communication. And now our broadcast is over. Please subscribe to this channel. That was your host, Serikbayev Syrym.